Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box to unbox with you. This is a quarterly box for about $7 after shipping and handling is added, etc. So this is like usually hit and miss. The past couple of seasons have definitely been a miss for me, but again at $7 it's kind of fun. All of this stuff is going to be able to be found at Walmart. I personally don't have a Walmart by me, but that's just because of my geographical location. But let's get into the box. I do have variation 11. Also, if you're new to the channel, I post vlogs, unboxing, spoiler videos, etc. I do make spoilers for Allure Beauty Box, but I'm open to making spoilers for other subscription boxes if you want me to do that as well. So just pop a comment below. In the month of December, I'm trying to post one video a day. So far, so good as I'm sitting here filming right now, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it by the time you see this. Work is just kind of crazy. But yeah, anyway, I haven't opened it yet. I did take off the plastic wrap because it was really shiny. That's basically all. So this is what it is. This is a little bit of a guide. It has some prices and stuff, and some of the other products that might have been in other variations. So I'll kind of go through this in a bit as well with you to show you the stuff that I didn't get that you might get in your box. Again, the past two seasons have been really bad, so I've been really kind of hoping that this one will redeem it. Looking in here, not bad at all. So let me just start with this first product. Actually, I've gotten this before from the Walmart beauty box. I got a pink one. This one is the Tangle Teaser Essential Detangler Brush for fine and fragile hair in coral. I have the pink one right now. I do like this brush actually, but what I think I'm gonna do is, since I already have one, I'm gonna donate this. If you're also somebody who has a lot of extra stuff from like subscription boxes and stuff, or just in general, I had called around to a bunch of different places in my hometown. I ended up finding that the youth shelters are actually really open to receiving products, especially makeup, and yeah, I would highly recommend checking out youth shelters in your area if you want to donate. I know a lot of people donate to women's shelters, but in my particular area, the youth shelters were also looking for products with for people with natural hair. So I was like, oh, actually, I don't know how much I have of that, but I will be keeping my eyes out, and I'll kind of be setting those aside for them as well. So anyway, that's a little PSA, a little bit here at the end of the year, especially because I'm sure a lot of people are like getting ready for like the holidays and stuff, maybe decluttering to make room for like new fun stuff. Tangle Teaser, this was full size, obviously, $12.97, and this one's like a really, I don't know if you can see, it's like almost like blaze orange color. Is that like a hunting terminology? I don't know. The next product I am actually really excited for as well. So this box is actually really good. I was honestly, the past two boxes have been absolute garbage, so I've been kind of like, maybe I should cancel. But this box has redeemed it. This one is the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen SPF 35. This is a full-size product, $14, and it's 1.7 ounces. This lightweight sunscreen delivers broad spectrum protection and leaves zero white cast on all skin tones. This non-greasy, fragrance-free gel formula also doubles as a face primer. So I'm really excited for this because, again, I love sunscreen. And the fact that this can also be a primer is also great. Also, I'm sorry, I'm kind of fighting the lighting in here. Is this lighting better? I don't know. It's just been so gloomy for the past week. It's been like raining. And that's a lot better than last month when I made this video, because that was like the drought. The drought was terrible. We were having like fires every day. So anyway, full-size sunscreen. So this for dry, normal, oily combination skin, and the hero ingredients are meadow foam, seed oil, and aloe. But I'm going to definitely get use out of that product. The next product, I'm not sure what this one is, number 7 serum. This one is the Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum, and this is a sample, obviously. 0.16 fluid ounces or 5 mLs, and the full size is $29.98, and it's 1.69 ounces. So I'll try to do some little bit of arithmetic and put it on the screen. This says use morning and evening after cleansing. The next product is so teeny tiny. Can you see how small this is? This one is the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. The full size is 1 ounce, $14.98, and this guy is definitely not 1 ounce. 0.08 fluid ounces, 2.6 mils. It's a bronzing serum. It's in the shade Sun-Kissed Glow. So let me pull this open because I think it's gonna be super cute. But before I do, and before I forget, made in Mexico. Very random place, I think. Usually I don't think skincare and stuff is made in Mexico. This is so teeny tiny. It's like an eye drop size. I'm gonna see if it has a scent. It does have a scent. It smells like cocoa. Shea butter maybe? I don't know. Mini Muru Muru Butter Bronzing Serum. So it's probably the Muru Muru butter smell. It says hypoallergenic, paraben-free, clinically tested, dermatologist tested, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan. The next product is actually CeraVe. This one is the Intensive Moisturizing Body Lotion. Hold on. It keeps turning on and off its siren. CeraVe, full size is $16.97 for 12 ounces, and this one is 1 ounce. It says it is for dry to very dry skin. Personally, I have very, very dry skin, and this doesn't really do much for me, but my sister likes it, so I might actually give this to her because it actually might be good for travel as well. But it says 5% hydrolyurea, restores the skin barrier and continuously hydrates and relieves itch due to dryness, fast absorbing. So anyway, we'll give this a go. We're on our family vacation. The final product in here is a nail polish. This is Olive and June. Yeah, Olive and June. It kind of looked like the one from Sally Hansen with the X. The Olive and June Quick Dry Polish, and the full size is $7.48, and this is 0.3 ounces, and I think this is full size. This one is full size, I just checked, and it's in the shade Koala, so it's kind of like a gray color. I don't know if you can see that, it's like a gray color. And it doesn't seem to have any shimmer or anything in there, but I'm actually kind of excited to have this because it's such a basic color, which is definitely my style of nail polish. It says dries in seconds, lasts for days and days. 15 free quick dry nail polish, dreamt up in LA, made in Korea. It doesn't seem to have like one of those balls in it, because sometimes when you shake nail polish and stuff, it makes like the sound like a paint can. Oh, it does have one. I just wasn't shaking hard enough earlier. I'm going to give you my quick rundown of what I thought about the box this season for me, and also let you know what the other products are. So far though, this box has been the best one I've gotten from Walmart Beauty Box in like, I think the entire time I've had the subscription. I'm literally going to use everything. The only reason why I'm not using this is because I already got one. So yeah, very great box actually. So let me know what you got, because I think that there are like a ton of variations. So again, I'm on variation 11, but I think it goes to like 20 or something. I don't know. But it wasn't even close to having the things, like all of the things that were in the little, you know, like when they send the shipping receipt, it sometimes has like a little picture about what you should get. Yeah, what I got wasn't in that, so I don't know. Anyway, let me go through this. In terms of the products, it looks like a lot of people are gonna get this e.l.f. because it looks like it's the hero product. There's also going to be the Paris Hilton for Women Eau de Parfum. The full size of that would be $26.97 and 1.7 ounces, but it looks like it's like the little sample size guy that you might get in the box. There is also the EOS 24-hour Moisture Super Balm, and that one's full size is $4.97 and 0.35 ounces. It comes like in a tube. Personally, I'm very happy I didn't get that, because EOS, I don't know, I think I'm allergic to something in that, but it like makes my lips bleed and like the sides crack. It's like the worst product for me and my skin. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I think I'm not the only one, because I was watching a beauty expose sort of channel, and they were saying that there was like a class action lawsuit for other people who have the same problem, but I've been scared of EOS, the products, ever since. Their hand cream that I got in I think it was a Walmart Beauty Box a while ago, that one's actually a really good hand cream, but the lip products, that was so painful and took so long to fix. I had to like use Cordaid on my face because it was cortisone and it was like a steroid. Regardless, whatever. Olive and June Quick Dry Polish, again I got that one, $7.48. CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain, shades may vary. It says full size $8.98, 1.7 mLs or 0.05 fluid ounces. That's what it looks like, so it's a lip stain. The CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Body Lotion, which is something I got. The serum is another thing that I got, and that one is the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Serum. The Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum, $14.98 for 1 ounce. I got the teeniest, tiniest sample, but it's super cute. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Shimmer Radiance Body Oil, $11.97 for the full size, which is 5.1 ounces. It looks like it'll probably be like a little foil pack. The Tangle Teaser Brush, Detangler Brush for Fine and Fragile Hair in Coral. Again, that's what I got. Now that I'm reading that out loud, maybe I should keep it. I have pretty fine hair. No, I have one. I'm using one and it's fine. And then the final product in here, in the little spoiler guide, is the Being Nourish and Shine shampoo and conditioner, full size, $6.97 and 12 ounces. I don't know if it's $6.97 each or it's 12 ounces each, or if each one is 12 ounces is $6.97, no idea. But I'm actually kind of happy I didn't get shampoo and conditioner because I'm actually drowning in shampoo and conditioner. And it says, don't see a product, your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. So in the spoiler from the email, I'm trying to remember what it was. It was like some sort of like tool, beauty tool. Okay, I can't show you because there's all my secrets on here, like my address, my full name, etc. It's like a roller. It has like a stick and like 2 roller thingies. It looks like a face roller, lip stain thing, and then it looks like there is also a potential like a Aveeno product. It looks like a little tube of Aveeno cream of some kind. I really like Aveeno products. I'm trying to get the motivation to leave my house to go to Soho to go to the Aveeno pop-up, but I don't know if that's happening. Closes at 3, it's 11:30 right now, so we shall see. If it does happen, it happens. It'll be in the vlog probably in August, maybe September. But yeah, anyway, this quarter the Walmart box seemed pretty good. Again, I don't know what other variations had. I saw some spoilers online and some of them would not have been a fit for me, so I'm kind of happy I didn't get them. Some people got like coily hair, I could have donated it, I guess, coily hair conditioner cream or something, and it was like a huge tube. It looked like a body lotion tube. But yes, anyway, thank you again for watching. Follow me over on Instagram at Eat Stretch Explore. Consider subscribing, liking, thumbs up, whatever, all of that stuff on this video. Also consider subscribing if you like random, very low-key background noise vlogs, because I got you for 40 minutes each vlog. But thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.